Animal experimentation has been a part of scientific research for centuries, dating back to ancient Greece, when philosophers like Aristotle conducted studies on living creatures. Over time, this practice evolved, becoming a cornerstone of modern medicine and biology. Today, animal experiments are used to understand diseases, test new treatments, and ensure the safety of products we use every day. So, why do researchers choose animals for these experiments? Animals share many biological similarities with humans, making them valuable models for studying complex systems. For instance, mice and rats have genetic, biological, and behavioral similarities to us, allowing scientists to observe how diseases progress and how treatments work in a living organism. The benefits of animal research are significant. Breakthroughs in medicine, such as vaccines for polio and treatments for diabetes, have relied on animal studies. These experiments have paved the way for life-saving therapies and have contributed to our understanding of human biology. In fact, many of the medications we rely on today were developed through animal testing, which has had a profound impact on public health. However, the use of animals in research raises important ethical concerns. Many people question whether it is right to subject animals to experiments that may cause them pain or distress. Animal welfare advocates argue that we must consider the rights of these creatures and ensure they are treated humanely. This has led to the development of strict regulations and guidelines aimed at minimizing suffering and ensuring ethical treatment. Fortunately, alternatives to animal testing are emerging. Advances in technology have introduced methods like computer models, cell cultures, and artificial intelligence. These alternatives can simulate human biology and predict how substances will behave without the need for live animals. For example, researchers can use computer simulations to model drug interactions, potentially reducing the need for animal testing. Globally, laws and regulations are evolving to address these ethical concerns. Many countries have implemented strict guidelines that govern the use of animals in research, ensuring that experiments are conducted responsibly and only when necessary. The 3Rs principle, replacement, reduction, and refinement, guides researchers in finding ways to replace animals with alternative methods, reduce the number of animals used, and refine procedures to minimize suffering. Despite the advancements, myths about animal testing persist. Some believe that all animal research is cruel and unnecessary, while others argue that it is the only way to ensure human safety. The truth lies somewhere in between. While animal testing is not without its flaws, it remains a crucial part of scientific discovery. Arguments for animal experimentation often highlight the necessity of understanding complex biological systems that cannot be replicated in a lab. On the other hand, opponents emphasize the moral implications and the availability of alternative methods that could replace animal testing altogether. Looking ahead, the future of animal testing is evolving, with ongoing research into alternative methods and a growing emphasis on ethical considerations. The hope is to reduce and eventually replace animal experiments. As technology advances, we may find ourselves in a world where animal testing is a thing of the past, leading to more humane and innovative approaches to research. In conclusion, the conversation about animal experimentation is complex, filled with both scientific necessity and ethical dilemmas. As we continue to explore this topic, it's essential to balance the benefits to medicine and society with the welfare of the animals involved.